Welcome to DIY Future Project. DIY is an Erasmus Plus funded project aiming at teaching young people DIY skills to increase the lifetime of products and sustainable consumption. In this unit, we will talk about perfume making. Creating your perfumes at home is a delightful and easy way to craft unique scents that reflect your style and preferences. The process is simple and entertaining, and the outcome is creating an amazing product, which can be used personally, gifted to a friend, or even sold as a professional occupation. In this module, you'll create your own personalized perfumes while embracing sustainable, eco-friendly practices. Commercial perfumes often contain synthetic chemicals and come in single-use packaging that contributes to environmental waste. By making your own fragrances, you can control the ingredients, reduce your carbon footprint, and promote a zero-waste lifestyle. Keep learning by exploring DIY Future contents on the website www.diyfuture.eu.